Why can a gorilla sit around eating leaves and sleeping all day, yet still look absolutely shredded? Meanwhile, humans have to grind in the gym, chug protein shakes, and lift heavy iron for years just to see a little definition. It is humiliating. The human world record for a deadlift is 501 kilograms. A random gorilla can casually lift 800 kilograms without even warming up. Even a kangaroo in a zoo, with limited space to run, looks like a bodybuilder who can crush a metal bucket with its bare hands. Other animals like horses and bulls are naturally muscular without ever doing a single push-up. But if a human stops working out, we instantly turn into a skeleton or a potato. The main reason for this difference is genetics, specifically a gene called myostatin. The job of this gene is to tell your muscles to stop growing. It prevents you from getting too big. In humans, this gene is extremely active. Why? Because we chose the intelligence build over the strength build. Our brain is an energy vampire. It consumes a massive amount of calories. If you had massive muscles on top of a massive brain, your body would require an impossible amount of food just to survive. To save energy for the brain, evolution nerfed our muscles. We have high levels of myostatin to keep our muscle mass efficient, not excessive. Animals don't have this problem because their brains don't burn as much energy. Kangaroos, for example, have a mutation that weakens this gene, allowing them to stack muscle naturally. There is also a breed of cattle called the Belgian Blue that has a defective myostatin gene. They grow to be 3 tons of pure muscle, looking like they are on steroids from birth. For humans, growing muscle is a manual process. We have to lift weights to micro-tear the muscle fibers, then eat protein to repair them thicker and stronger. It is a cycle of damage and repair, and if we stop, we lose it. Also, humans evolved for endurance, not burst power. We are designed to run long distances to hunt, which requires lean muscles, not bulky ones. That is why marathon runners look different from sprinters. Plus, our bodies prefer storing fat over muscle. Fat is survival fuel for a famine. Muscle is an expensive luxury that burns calories even when you are resting. Believe it or not, the average domestic pig has a lower body fat percentage than the average human. Pigs are naturally leaner than us because our genes are obsessed with hoarding fat for emergencies. So, the next time you are jealous of a gorilla's physique, just remember the trade-off. They might have the muscles without the effort, but they don't have the brain power to understand why. We traded the gains for the brains.